could have saved you. I didn't protect you. I could have saved you. I had a choice.
We always be together.
I love you.
Am I dead?
Hush. You're hurt.
I want to be with you. Every day I want to be with you.
Don't.
And then I look at Jordan, I look at our daughter's face. And day after day, she looks more and more like you. I can't let go.
You have to protect her.
I didn't protect you.
There is nothing you could have done.
They wanted me to join them, and they wanted me to join the group, and then you'd be saved. Peter Watts' family's alive. His daughters have a mother. They set the table, and she sits down to eat. You know that Jordan sits in every place? Every night she sits in every place, and I can't, I'll never ask her to stop. Believe in them, and you'll be saved.
You chose me, not them.
And then I lost you. Jordan lost no mother. He would be alive.
To live what kind of life?
What?
We had already taken too much of you. We beat them. All of their predictions and their mysteries and their power. You chose me. We chose each other.
I let you die. You walked away alone to die.
You don't remember very well. You were with me. When everything had fallen apart, you stayed with me. We were together.
I love you. Don't go, Catherine.
Listen to this. Sharon, the chief of the world, the great Sharon with the sole title, Victor.
At the end of the world. It's a prophecy. It's the Millennium Group again.
Is Alice part of it?
No. She has great power. They will either appropriate it or destroy it.
The group sent you the tape. What were they trying to do, kill you?
Oh. You know that list that you found at the studio? The list of names? People House called. He checked it all out. No more deaths. Now, I don't know what their intentions were, but I know what happened. They gave me my wife back.
Anytime I need to see your face, I just close my eyes, and I am taken to a place where your crystal mind, a magenta feeling, take a shelter in the base of my spine, straight like a chicken cherry cola. I don't need to try to explain.